Hi everyone, I'm Devin, and this is Devs Does How to Create Kacey Musgraves' sleek, straight, yet full of goodness, flat ironed hairstyle. It's a perfect place to start for a beginner because it's basically hairstyling 101. It is really sleek, it's got some body up in it, so you don't have to get too tight, it's not flat, it doesn't require a special blowout. So really, this hair is perfect for it. Bam. Okay, as you can see, this is textured. She's got some front fringy pieces that are great. I had cut into this wig and I want to do that a different way than using a flat iron. I don't want to get it lost up in these other sections. So we're just going to clip that up and get it out of the way. Secondly, split the rest of your hair in half. Don't focus on sections that are super precise. Just get it out of your way. And then we are going to start on our left side because that's the side that my dominant hand, my right hand, will really help with. I like to give myself looks. I don't like to just tie it up willy-nilly. This is giving me a Leia vibe. Secure that. I don't even see the clips. I just see the character with them in, you know? It's really great. So like I was saying, so whatever your dominant hand is, do the opposite side of your head first. I think that will really ensure you have the technique down, especially for beginners. This is already prepped. We washed it with a great cleansing shampoo. Then we sprayed in a heat protectant. I used 21 Benefits from Redken. And then we used Verb styling cream to make this a really seamless flat ironing experience. Bam. Great. So the bigger the section, the slower you're gonna need to go with each section of hair that you take down, that you flat iron. And the bigger the section, the hotter you're gonna need the iron. So if you have really damaged or fine hair, turn the heat down and go a little quicker. If you have textured hair like this one and it's a wig and you don't really care about the health of your hair because you got tough hair, then just do it. But I suspect, especially for this wig, I can start taking a little bit bigger of sections because this Numi XL flat iron is amazing, okay? Can we just talk about how much wider that is? It almost reminds me of the ones that came out, like, I don't know, maybe it was the early 2000s, those big, huge bladed, they were like 4 inches, I feel like, from Hot Tools. They were great, but, okay, so see, we need to go much slower because there is still a lot of texture in that, and that's something that Kacey Musgraves' hair doesn't have. You know what I've forgotten to do? Beginner's mistake on your own hair? Comb it out. I would have known that on somebody else. 10 years of experience teaches you to comb stuff out, but I don't know, I just totally forgot. I'm also gonna marry all that now. Marrying them means you're combining the sections. Next section, I wanna do back to front because it helps me practice. Practice makes perfect, and I want the front to be better than the back. Okay, remember, comb it out. Oh, yes, each section. Here we go. There we are. Come down nice and slow because we took a big section. Nice and slow. With this style, you don't really want to leave any bevel in the hair. The pictures I showed, you know, they were like so straight. Her hair was like beautiful, almost like Pocahontas, like so blowy. I love it. Can we just talk about, oh, what clip did I just take out? Something from Malaya Bun. Something from Malaya Bun. I've been listening to a lot of Kacey Musgraves. It's kind of fucking taken over my life. Everybody that I work with in salon is getting sick of it, but you know what? It's quality. And she's great. You know, okay, she's my same age, okay? Both born in 1988. So that's a win. Second win, she performed in 2002 at the Olympics, where I grew up in Salt Lake City, you know? So when you put it like that, it's a win. I'm using this brush like a hand now so that I don't burn my hands, because it's like a twofer. A, you ain't burning nobody, namely yourself. Woo! And you're combing it out. You get to see really if you got it all. Oh, look at this little. Look at this little. Okay, we're gonna come in. We're just gonna slightly turn the flat iron under to get that. One pass was all it took. But bam. Ow! Did I? That's my. Okay, I'm okay. Scary. You know what's not scary? This is beautiful. Look, there I go. Touching the hot hair with the hands instead of with the comb like I tried to demonstrate. Let me get back in the habit. Okay, so pick it up with the brush. Come in. Go nice and slow. Didn't get all that, as you can see. Ooh! 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 That looks great. I think that's a win. Super straight left side. Now, why I needed all that practice and all that perfection, I'm gonna try to do it with my left hand on this side. In salon, with 10 years experience, I can tell you that I can do hair, style hair, not cut or color. You know, I ain't going in with no, say don't get it, don't be like, prove it. Okay, I will prove it styling, come and see me, but I can't do it any other way. I'm ambidextrous. Long-winded way of saying I'm ambidextrous. Okay, so comb this out. Again, this time, this little brush is gonna represent your right hand. And you're gonna flat iron with your, oh, that's already really difficult. Oh gosh. Ah! Okay, it's way harder with your left hand on yourself, but I think I can do it. Oh, it's hot. Okay, challenges abound. But do you know what I call them? That's a discovery. And I can't take credit for that. I learned that in hair school, some 2020. Oh my God, listen to me lying right to your face. 12 years ago. Okay, almost 12 years ago. 11 years ago. Shit! I don't even know anymore, it's been so long. But they told us, go out on that hair floor and you make discoveries doing hair. There's no such thing as a mistake. So you know what I've always thought? You know what? Get in there, don't feel no anxiety or fear. Get in, buck it up, try again. And boy did I. Boy did I, and boy so should you. Okay, we're gonna try again with our left hand. It's honestly much harder than I thought it would be with your left hand. But I think that was actually a really good pass. Okay, so it's easy if you can see it. Like right here, right by my temple, which is scary again, because, oh, you saw the other side. But what's hard is getting up in this, getting up in there. Okay, great. Toasty. Okay, and I'm taking bigger sections because we're not even trying to get this as sleek as like a Gwyneth Paltrow or a Gwen Stefani. This is Kacey Musgraves, 6-time Grammy Award-winning artist. Oh, she was the first country music artist to perform at the Gay and Lesbian Association Against Defamation Awards. Like, that's crazy. That stands for GLAAD, in case you didn't know it's an acronym or even a thing. She was the first one. She performed Follow Your Arrow in 2014. You know what I mean? She's an ally. She's an ally. You know who she's an ally of? The LGBTQAI+ community. Why is that important to me? Well, because, you know, I'm gay. I'm gay. Okay? Big sections. I'm gonna do this in 2 more so that we can get to that front part. Oop, man down, dropped a clip. Oh my gosh, I think it's fun. Oh, did you see? I cheated. Okay, the gag is over, okay? Practice with your left hand if you want. If I can do it with my right, I'm gonna do it with my right. I'm still a beginner on myself. And honestly, I don't want to burn my face. Maybe that's the biggest thing, okay? Maybe I should try it on camera. You guys want to see me get burnt? Is that what you're into? Is that why you turned on this channel? Just joking, I really don't care why you turned into this channel. I'm going to teach you how to create Kacey Musgraves sleek yet full, straight, flat iron hair. Oh, my boombox just turned off. Maybe I will give it to you. You want to see me try it with my left hand? Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. It's hard. Whoa. And it's also really worrying getting it close to your face. Oh yeah, duh, I just said that's the whole point. Ah! Is messing up. And if I'm just good all the time, how does that teach you that you can play and make discoveries? Oh my god, this feels way more challenging, so I'm gonna focus on going really slow, getting it really hot, really straight, holding it with a lot of tension, and I think we could get it. If we can even clamp a section correctly. Okay, damn. That's pretty good. Whew. Telling you what, wearing a wig is like a beanie. Do you agree? I mean, with your own hair. Let me know in the comments. You get really hot styling your own hair? Okay, so this is the section that kicks out, remember? It's got like a nice flow. And I want it all to have that bit, and then we can straighten whatever we don't want to kick out. So, I've already got all our styling products in there. So when I get it a little wet, comb it out. It's got all the product in there, so it's gonna blow dry really nicely. Wrap it around that brush. This is where actually I'm better with the blow, see? This will prove I'm ambidextrous. You thought I was joking. I ain't joking. I'm gonna use a brush in my left hand. I mean, I've blown out my own hair. I have had hair that I could blow dry the front of it, but I'll be honest, it wasn't like that. There wasn't a whole bit coming out from the thing. And I'm always telling everybody, just pull it down, it's super easy. So let's see. Get it hot, rock and roll, come down, twist back up, come down, twist back up. Comb it out, picking up some of my old hair. Gotta get it out of there. Whew, heat it up. Ah, burnt my eyes. Oh, okay, I don't know if that's the thing. Whew, I thought the flat iron was hot. Holy shit. Okay, let's see it. Whew. Honestly, I've never thought about a wig slipping off because you're so sweaty, but this hairline. Okay, that's just gonna have to work. It's a humid day in New York City. Hashtag it's raining, man. It's just raining. Oh, sorry, Vashti. Oh, I just dropped the brush on my dog. Oops. So, there you go. I am gonna try to bevel this even a little more with a flat iron. I'm not happy super. Ooh, did it do it? Slightly. Where'd the brush go? Oh yeah, I dropped it. Did that do it? No, okay, you know what we're doing. Oops, right side. Left hand, I forgot. I told you I would. We're just gonna super sleek it out. I'm a beginner when it comes to flat ironing my own hair. So one day I'll revisit showing you how to bevel out the side of your hair. But we are just gonna flat iron right around the face. It's Kacey Musgraves inspired hairstyling tutorial video. Ooh, and we gotta move on to the other side that I'm good at. The left side of the face. Flat iron all this. Okay, so it's really Kacey Musgraves meets Cher on a blonde wig. So meet Baby Spice. Kacey Musgraves meets Cher meets Baby Spice playing on a wig on Devin. Bam. Devs did that. Last but not least, it's really sleek, and I forgot an end sealer at work, so you know what I mean. When you're straightening your hair, you need an end sealer. You need some sort of finishing sealant serum gloss. You know what I'm using today? Because I forgot it. A little lube. It's the same shit, okay? Take it from somebody who uses both of them a lot. It's the same shit. Especially nowadays. Maybe not. I mean, I've never actually put it in my hair. I just had the idea today. But the Swiss Army Lube did just fine at doing what I want, as I suspected. Boom. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. This was Devs Does How to Create Kacey Musgraves Sleek, Straight Hairstyle. Nailed it. You know what? And if you didn't, fuck it up and try again. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.